Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Perplexity AI browser. It's called a Comet. I'll show you how to install on Windows 11. So first of all, I'll open the Google search bar and I will type download Perplexity Comet browser. And then I'm going to go to this particular link, perplexity.ai/comet. I'll open in new tab and then straight away I'll click download. And this is going to start the download process. It will take few seconds to complete. So I already have this file in my system, so I'm going to cancel the download process. So let me just open the exe file which I have already downloaded. So double click the exe file and just wait and click start install. After that it is going to download some files, so you just need to wait until this is done. So installation has been completed. Now I'm going to click launch Comet. And then I will click get started. No, I don't want to import anything. Do this later. Let me just pick a theme. So let me just give my name here. Pick a random theme. Click continue. Start Comet. And there you go. So you are ready to use Comet. I hope you have gone through the process. At the end, I would request you to please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.